Hi there, I'm Cherie with the Mobile Internet Resource Center, and this is a regular update on our top picks for cellular data plans. So first, a couple of caveats about this video. Number one, I can almost promise you that as soon as I publish this video, there's going to be something I say that's going to be outdated. So do check our resource center for more information, because we do keep the text guide that goes along with this updated constantly. Also, we are focused here on cellular data plans. These are for folks that are looking for home internet replacements on the road. So we're not focused on necessarily smartphone plans. There are a lot of great plans out there for smartphones. We're focused on data plans. So I'm going to go over each of the four major nationwide carriers and tell you what our current top picks are. First, Verizon, which tends to have the greatest nationwide coverage for travelers. Fortunately, not a lot of great options right now. Our top pick traditionally has been going for one of the grandfathered legacy unlimited data plans that was unthrottled and no network management on them. They are still available both from rental vendors as well as acquiring one through a data broker. However, in the last month, we have been feeling a lot of feedback that people are getting terminated on plans that they acquired through data brokers. So Verizon is going through a very aggressive shutdown of acquired unlimited data plans. So we, at this time, don't really recommend proceeding with getting one of these Verizon grandfathered unlimited data plans, because we do feel that terminations are around the corner. It may be months before Verizon catches up with their backlog. So you may get away with a few months. Just know, going in, eyes wide open with that. Of course, Verizon's own unlimited data plans, they do offer them on a Jetpack device, which you can add to your smartphone unlimited line. However, all jetpacks and data-only devices will be capped at 15 gigabytes of high-speed data use, and then it is hard throttled to 600 kilobits per second for the rest of the billing month. So do know that. Their smartphone plans, they did offer a new option called Above Limited recently that does give you 20 gigabytes of high-speed data use for mobile hotspot off of a smartphone. So that might be an option for some folks. The FMCA, which is the Family Motor Coach Association, a membership program available to RV owners of all sorts. If you have a 2-year membership active with the FMCA, you do qualify for their Verizon plan. They do use the word unlimited on it. Of course, with those quotes, it is actually a 25 gigabyte plan at high speed use. And then it is hard throttled to very unusable 2G level speeds. A lot of reports of just unusable speeds. So do consider it a 25 gigabyte plan. That is $49.99 a month. And it does include a free mobile hotspot device. They are currently including the 7730L Jetpack with that plan. So that is only available to FMCA members. The other option that is a little interesting right now is Visible, which is Verizon's new prepaid network. They are kind of still in pre-launch, and during this pre-launch period, they have enabled mobile hotspot on those plans. It is on a smartphone. It's particularly only iPhones at current time, but you do get unlimited mobile hotspot use on those lines. It is only for one device, though, that can connect to it. So they are somehow restricting it to how many devices can attach to that mobile hotspot use. And all speeds are capped at 5 megabit per second, which is plenty for most things that most people need. So that is an option right now, but it is very clearly in a beta phase, and they have not released what their long-term terms of service are going to be around that. So those are the options right now for Verizon. Next, AT&T. Of course, they retired their unlimited hotspot plan on the Unlimited Plus back in February with that grace period through May. Hopefully, if you're paying attention, you grabbed one of those. Doesn't leave a lot of great options for AT&T right now. They do have their wireless internet plan, which is only available on these big square wireless internet devices. They used to be called the home base. Now it's just wireless internet. They are designed for home use. They have a telephone jack in them, so you can actually use a traditional handset with them. These plans they do have available is $100 a month and includes 100 gigabytes of usage in a month. So that is a pretty good plan with AT&T for high data usage. Not unlimited, but for a lot of folks, 100 gigabytes will do just fine. If you get their unlimited prepaid tablet plan available for cellular enabled iPads and other Android tablets, that is an unlimited data plan for $29.99 per month on an auto renewal basis, or $35 on a as you need it basis. That plan is intended for use on tablets only, with no mobile hotspot use enabled, even off the tablet itself. It's a great plan if your needs are on a tablet device. Just remember, with a Bluetooth keyboard and an HDMI out option, you can do a heck of a lot with a tablet. However, there are a lot of reports that folks are taking that SIM card out of the tablet and putting it in an AT&T Hotspot device, and it is working. It has worked for years that way. It is against AT&T's terms of service. They are just not enforcing it right now. They could turn on enforcement at any time, so just know that if you're planning to use it as a hotspot device plan. Next up is, of course, rental and lease vendors. There are a lot of them out there, especially now that AT&T doesn't offer an unlimited data plan direct anymore. One that we're hearing about a lot on YouTube, and you probably all have a lot of questions on, is one called NetBuddy. They're offering an unlimited data plan for $60 a month. You buy a hotspot or router device through them. We have a couple of reports that folks have been using them the last few weeks or month. No problem so far. There are a lot of other rental vendors out there. You can find them all in our unlimited data guide at mobileinternetinfo.com/unlimited. Just know with any of these rental vendors, they may or may not be selling plans that are authorized by the carrier. It's hard to know. They're not going to be upfront about that necessarily. And just know that those plans could just go away at any time. Just be prepared for that and kind of consider that and enjoy it while it lasts. Definitely have a backup plan if mobile internet is a necessary thing for you. That's it for AT&T. T-Mobile, they remain the only carrier that offers a truly unlimited hotspot plan off of a smartphone. If you get their T-Mobile One and then add on their Plus International Amp Up, that enables unlimited 4G hotspot off of your smartphone device. A lot of folks are using this plan, using lots of data on it. It is a great option, very affordable, especially if you qualify for their military discount or their 55 plus up discounts. Makes it a great affordable option if you're okay hotspotting off a smartphone. Just know that they do have in their terms of service that if you use more than 50 gigabytes of data in a month consistently, you need to have at least 50% of your usage be on device usage, not mobile hotspot. We have not heard of enforcement of this yet, however. Just know that that term is there. As far as other options for T-Mobile, there are a lot of rental and lease vendors out there that are selling unlimited data plans on T-Mobile. There's a lot of options out there, usually around $70 to $100 a month is what you'll see most of them priced at. Again, if you check our limited guide, we have some vendors listed there as well. Same caveat. Expect that those plans could go away at any time should the carrier shut them down or these small businesses go out of business. Sprint actually has some of the most attractive unlimited data plans. Of course, their network isn't the most attractive for those that are traveling across the country, but if you're sticking to urban areas, they might have some appealing options for you. Direct with Sprint, you can get a hotspot plan for $50 a month that includes 50 gigabytes of high-speed data usage. That might be an optimal option. The FMCA, again, the Family Motor Coach Association, does offer their members an unlimited data plan on Sprint. It is $49.99 per month with no contract, and that is unlimited use. Video is throttled to 480p on that plan. However, the nonprofits out there, so PCs for People for those who qualify for low income, Calix Institute is still around. These plans, you are basically buying a membership to their nonprofit, and then you can utilize their agreement with Sprint for their nonprofit plans. It can work out very inexpensively. The PCs for People as low as $10 per month. The Calix comes out to be about $33 a month, except for you may be required to pay up front for a year on those plans. So those are a great option. Those are truly unlimited plans. And Sprint also is offering on some of their 2-in-1 devices. These are some kind of laptops that have a Snapdragon modem built in, and they have a tablet plan. If you bring your own tablet, cellular enabled tablet, you can basically get an unlimited data plan for those devices for $15 per month, and on the 2-in-1s it is currently free actually, which is kind of cool. Those are on device usage only, and they do include 10 gigabytes of high-speed mobile hotspot use to get other devices online. So those are the options for Sprint. That's a wrap-up of our current top data plan picks. Do remember, these could all change just as soon as I upload this video. I bet one will. We're constantly tracking this over at the Mobile Internet Resource Center, so be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We issue individual news updates as the carriers keep changing their plans, as new equipment comes out, so you can keep up there. Of course, our Mobile Internet Resource Center, we have tons of information and guides over there too. And big shout out to our mobile internet aficionados, our premium members who make this all possible so that we can create content to help our RVing and cruising and nomadic communities keep online. Without them, None of this would be possible. If mobile internet is an essential need for you, please do consider becoming a member and supporting the work that we do so that we can keep going at it. You can find more out at mobileinternetinfo.com/membership. Thank you, and we'll see you in a few months with an update to this video.